Well, good morning, everyone. Pine Acres RV here coming to you with a fresh trade-in. It is a 2015 Prime Time Crusader. The model number is 315. This is a huge fifth wheel with lots and lots of storage. Two more slides over on the other side. Take a look at this. Oh yeah. Show you the storage compartment and also the wet bay. This is on a 50 amp power connection, aluminum construction out front. And here we go, walking into the Prime Time Crusader. Did I say 2015? It's a 2016, folks. Wowzers, I said it was huge and it is. All right, we're taking a look at 4 chairs and a table, 2 recliners. Out back here, we have a fireplace that does throw out some heat on some chilly nights. Take a look. We got ourselves a televator and a huge TV behind it. There we go. Star Trek. All right. So this converts into a bed. Take a look at this huge center island. Solid surface countertops. Nice big pantry right here. Oven, 3-burner stove. Look at this pantry. High point microwave. Nice logo right there. Ah, look at this spot. Great spot there for a coffee maker or a toaster. Let's go to the bedroom first and then we'll come back to the bathroom. Whammo! Look at the size of this bedroom. So we got our bed slide out. Behind the front cap. I bet you any money this is prep for a washer dryer. Yes, it is. All right, and behind those mirrors, look at the storage. Great spot here. The hanger clothes. The bathroom. Yes, that's a porcelain toilet. Medicine cabinet. 1-piece fiberglass shower with a corner seat. Skylight, fan. Wow, this is a lot of fifth wheel, folks, for the price. I think we're going to be priced under $45,000. That's just incredible. Please give one of our friendly sales staff a call. We'll get this opened up for you. We'll get it lit up and ready for show. And who knows, if you like it, we'll get it ready for tow. Bye for now. If you're looking to buy this beautiful certified pre-owned unit, please call 388-5751.